Here we've got CAT S42, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So first of all, just open list of all apps and enter settings. Here you need to pick system, enroll advanced options, and click on developer options. Now scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice system demo mode. So smoothly mark it to open, and now you can easily activate demo mode on your device by using this switcher. So just tap on it, and that's it. From now on it is active. You can also make it visible if you only want to by using this second switcher, so just click on it, and as only it is active, like as you can see both indicators are active, you can see that demo mode is on even in your status bar. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.